Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name's Angie, and on my channel I do all things homemaking. I just want to thank you for being here today. I have a super fun project to do. I'm going to be making a fairy house, and I'm going to bring you along with me. I hope you enjoy the video. So what you're seeing here is the beginning of a fairy house that I started last year, and I should have brought everything inside during the winter, and I just didn't think about it. So here I'm just trying to kind of clean up the area from all the fallen leaves and everything. And this is a new pot of flowers. I had a different one on there last year, and so now I'm just trying to get like all the rocks from last year cleaned off. And I'm just kind of setting everything up right here. So here I'm kind of using bigger rocks as the border on either side of the house. And then I found some polished stones. They have them on Amazon, but I found these are 2 3-pound bags that I found at Hobby Lobby. And then these stones are ones I bought off Amazon last year. I'm trying to reuse as much as I can from last year. It's just with all the rain we've gotten, they're pretty muddy, so I just cleaned them off. So I'm just kind of patting the stones down right here by the entry. Now I'm gonna start unpacking some of the stuff that I bought this year. When you go to buy the accessory pieces, you want to make sure you're buying the right size fairies to go with them, because they have small fairies and then they have a bigger size of fairy. And so since I'm getting the bigger chairs, I ended up getting fairies that were a little bit bigger. So these are 2 really cute flower chairs that I found. I'm not really gonna talk much while I'm unpacking stuff, just because I kind of go over everything and where I got it towards the end of the video. But you'll see me kind of move things around as I go. There are some things like these mushrooms that you can order off of Amazon, and I know I haven't really looked a whole lot on Etsy, but I know there's a lot of cute, unique fairy type stuff on Etsy, just for an idea of where to get things. This is a pot from last year that had some verbena that was coming back. So I wanted to add some little accent pieces in here to kind of go along with the theme. This is some lantana that I bought at the grower's outlet, and I just planted it in this container. I'm gonna have to wash off because it's been rainy here, so things are kind of muddy. And then I found these little window and door set on Amazon, and these glow in the dark. And it says Sleeping Fairies on the door. And I found some of these moss-covered pieces of wood in our yard, so I thought those might be kind of a cool accent. So I put them there, and I put them right here. And then today I went to Hobby Lobby, and I found a little birdhouse, this archway, this little wheelbarrow and gardening set, and these two fairies and chairs, and this ladder, and this well I bought last year at Hobby Lobby. I need to find the bucket that goes to it. And then my sister got me these little ceramic, I think, mushrooms. And then I found these on Amazon. And then I got this little mailbox at Hobby Lobby. And the weather vane right there. And then they also had the pebbles at Hobby Lobby. And then this is verbena that's coming back. So I just put some mushrooms in there. And so this is what it looks like. And I'm working on getting the lights. There are some lights scattered through here that are solar powered, and they're little different colored flowers. So those still work. I may need to get another set of those. And then I have some little wired lights that I had wrapped around the fairy house, which I got the fairy house at, it's actually a planting container that I found at Walmart last year. I looked today and they didn't have it anymore. But what I liked about it is it looks a lot like a tree trunk, the shape of it and everything. And so we just drilled holes in it and used screws to hang the windows and the door. And then every year I change the flowers that are there. But these are lantana, so they should come back next year. So I'm just gonna get the lights going, and then I'll try to get a picture of it at night so you can see what it looks like. But I think it turned out really cute. And one mistake that I made is I should have collected everything from last year and brought it inside during the winter. Because really this stuff is better just to have in the spring and summer, because the weather will start getting to it. So I think I'm gonna do that this year. Just collect all the little pieces and stuff. Because I had to reset everything up this year because it got covered in leaves and dirt and all that. So I'm gonna do that this year. And I thought that turned out cute with the little mushrooms in there. So it was kind of a fun little project to do, and at night it looks cute with all the twinkle lights and stuff. So this is what it looks like in the evening after 8 o'clock at night. It's hard to tell, but it's kind of a little bit darker out in this picture. I got the lights working. here it is after dark, and I'm going to end up getting a spotlight to light this up more. Then I think it'll look really cute. Well, thanks for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like my content, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing. I'd love to have you back. And I hope you have a great week. Bye.